Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken corn chowder soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, 2 cups of corn, and 4 cups of rich chicken broth. Don't forget 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of finely diced onion. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and your favorite seasonings to taste. Finally, dice 1 medium potato into small, uniform pieces for perfect texture. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once melted, add your finely diced onion and sauté it gently until it becomes wonderfully soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour, cooking for just 1 minute to create a simple roux. This will help thicken our chowder. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of chicken broth until the mixture is smooth and begins to thicken. With our base ready, it's time to add the stars of the show. Carefully add your diced potatoes to the pot. Let them simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are perfectly tender when pierced with a fork. This ensures they are cooked through. Then, stir in your 2 cups of cooked chicken and 2 cups of corn. Now is also the perfect moment to season your chowder with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of thyme to enhance the flavors. We're almost there. To finish our creamy chowder, reduce the heat to low and gently stir in 1 cup of rich heavy cream. Allow it to heat through for about 2 to 3 minutes, being careful not to let it boil, as this can cause the cream to separate. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Serve your warm, comforting chicken corn chowder, garnished with fresh parsley or chives for a delightful touch. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.